16.13 Formatted file IO functions. Formatted console IO functions, just you see formatted scanf function. How you write? Suppose for reading age, height, and sex. Reading age, integer, height, floating point, sex, character. Okay. Then what you write? And age and height and sex. This is console input function. The console input function, from keyboard we can read data by using these three variables of integer, floating point, and character. We read from the keyboard. Now fscanf. Fscanf is also reading function from the file. So it's slightly, you can find the difference. Here you see, as it is the file oriented function, fp is must. File pointer is the navigator. Without file pointer, all the file is represented by fp. So where we are doing file oriented operations, we should supply this argument. This is compulsory. Now see, remaining part you cannot find any difference. Here double quote we are writing here %d, %f, %c, and age and height and sex. Same thing, cannot find any difference. Similar manner, printf also. Actually, you must remember one thing. This is reading from the keyboard. This is reading from the file. Next, for the same thing, printf, how you write? Printf, console IO. Then %d, %f, %c. Then here, age, height, sex. This you know. You might have written hundreds of printf statements. This you know. Now let us see fprintf. Fprintf. What do we have to supply? We have to supply fp. Fp. Then start double quote %d, %f, %c. Then age, height, sex. Now you see, what is the order? Now I have written in this order. Actually, when you are applying on the file, you choose a different order. Just understand it logically. Now what we are doing? Formatted data. We are writing on a file. So first we are reading the three variables from the keyboard. So this is the first. Thereafter, what is the operation? We have to write the same on the file. Then this is the thing, not this. Next, we have written the variables, the data stored in the variables on the file. Then we have to read from the file. Then we have to write it on the monitor screen. See, order is this. Now let us see an application. Here you create formatted IO.dem. Program number 16.9 you see, 16.9. In this 14th line you see formatted demo, formatted IO dem. In a W plus mode we open. Enter the name, age and height. Enter name, age, height and telephone number. Now we are writing 4 data items. Now you see, we have written a for loop. Now you see scanf. First scanf. We are reading the data from the keyboard. So 18th line, name, age, height, telephone number. You are reading. Thereafter, you are writing on the file. 20th, fprintf, fp, percentages, percentage d, percentage f, percentage ld. All that four data items in a formatted manner you have written on the file. Then you have to rewind. You have used W plus mode. For your W mode, you have to F close function you have to use. In this case, rewind is enough. So file pointer comes to the beginning. Then what you have to do? Then fscanf. Fscanf is meant for reading data from the file. Now you are reading data from the file by using fscanf, and thereafter the same data you are writing on the monitor screen. Now you see you have the read all the four operations you perform. Here four variables are there: name, age, height and telephone number. All this data you read from keyboard and you have written on the file and read from the file and displayed on the monitor screen. Just carefully, little practice is required. Just meticulously. A small mistake if you commit also, error will come. That's why one time you write this program, or you choose a different set. You need not take the same thing. You to whatever data variables you want to write on the file, you can write and you can read and you can display on the monitor screen. So here you can identify four operations. Here one variant I want to show you. This is very important. Actually, what I told you, in view of C, actually file means our view is different and C's view is different. C views every device which deals with the stream of characters. Every device which deals with the stream of characters is a file. Because of that reason, keyboard is a file, input device, and monitor screen is also a file. In the beginning I explained. But as far as keyboard is concerned, keyboard delivers characters. Of course, this is a stream, but it does not receive. And monitor screen receives characters, but it cannot deliver. Even though as they are dealing with the stream of characters, we can treat them as files. In that sense, let us rewrite the same program. For this purpose, 16.7, 16.9, I am making some changes for scanf statement as well as printf statement. Mainly, remaining part of program is same. Where you can find changes 17th line and 28th line. 17th line, originally what I have written, scanf, percentage S, name, percentage D age, percentage F height, percentage L, LD or L, both are one and same. Now these are things. Now this is name, this is age, this is height, this is telephone number. Okay, this is the way you write a scanf statement. Now this is scanf is a hardware. I want to treat it like a file. Then how C treats it as a file? Then in that sense I write. Now if it is a file means what it is doing? Reading. What scanf is doing? Reading data. So now I am treating keyboard as a file. That means it reads, we are trying to read data from the keyboard file. Don't view the keyboard as a hardware device. You treat the keyboard as a file. Now, how we have to write? Now we can use fscanf. Fscanf. Now, what is the file pointer? Actually, if it is a file, without file pointer, we cannot manipulate a file. That is a must. What is the file pointer for this? std. stdin is the standard file pointer. Actually, system provided this file pointer. std out is the file pointer for monitor screen. You call it as a monitor screen file, keyboard file. stdin is the standard. stdin is the file pointer for this. Now, you see, instead of fp, what we have written? stdin. Now, remaining part of the code is same. You write. By this, what is happening? We are treating keyboard as a file, and fscanf function we have written, and by this we are able to read data from the keyboard file. In this context, keyboard file. Next, in the similar manner, let us consider printf also. Printf also. Printf, what is the purpose of that? Printf is writing on the monitor screen. Let us treat the monitor screen as a file. Then we are writing on the monitor screen file. Now, printf, how we write with reference to this statement, let us see. Printf, how you write? %s, %d, %f, %ld, name, age, height, tail number. Now, let us treat the hardware monitor as a file. Then fprintf. So, we must provide file pointer. What is the file pointer here? Standard file pointer. std out is the standard file pointer. Thereafter, remaining code is same, exactly same. So, in this way, we are treating everything is a file. Actual file is a file, keyboard is a file, and monitor screen is also a file. Now, study this program. This is the same version, 16 point, same data. 16.9, I changed as 16.10. Now, where you have to focus? 17th line, that is, we treated keyboard as a file and reading data, and fprintf, that is the actual file. On the actual file, we are writing. Thereafter, we rewinded it, and we have to read from the file. fscanf we have used, and the code I have written. Now, monitor screen, we are treating as a file. That's why fprintf we are writing. What is the file pointer of the monitor screen file I have given? std out. What is the file pointer I have given for the keyboard file? stdin. So, just compare both the programs 16.9 and 16.10. Then that concept what initially I told you, C treats every device which deals with a stream of characters as a file. That I am establishing here.